Let's go. Come on. That's it. And moving your feet. Moving your feet. Let's go. Come on. Keep it away from the middle. That's it. Umbi. Let's go. Keep it away from the middle, Ed. I want you to place the ball. Think. That's it. Nice footwork. Nice footwork. Let's go. Coming. Ready. Edo, you're here, but you're kind of like waiting. No, move. Recognize. If you need to move back, forward, whatever. You can move here fast. You can run. You can do whatever you want, but fast. Okay? Let's go. Ready. Go. Coming. Ready. Coming. That's it. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Mira el agua, Eduardo. ¿Está lloviendo? Aquí. Let's go.
Coming.